Hi, my name is Randy Miller, and this is RM Wraps, and today I'm going to be showing you the Red Booth door wrap, and this is going to go on someone's door. What I like to do something is unique or more custom or personalized. So what you can do once you order this door wrap, and you can see the quality of the doors, and it's on a vinyl, air release vinyl, so it's very easy to put on and take off. But the custom stuff I'm talking about, I can actually add a name, a phone number, your information right here to have a little more fun. And also you can add, you can email me your images or whatever you want to add. I can put some right here or up here or anywhere you want. You can do anything you want. So if you want to order a red booth, you go on rmwraps.com, you can check it out. There's a lot more other images on there, but you can see the quality on there. Alright, well, thank you for watching this video. If you got any comments or questions, or if you want something fun or unique, give me a holler. My email is rmwraps@gmail.com, and also you can contact me by phone. It's 208-696-1180, or you can go on my website, rmwraps.com. Alright. Well, my name is Randy Miller, and I'll catch you later.